What's up, guys? I am back from the market. Actually, I went to 3 markets, but I wasn't able to film at the time. But I am back to share with you my findings. So every 2 weeks, I will spend about, in American money, I say probably $10 to $15 every 2 weeks in fruit and vegetables and maybe rice and things like that because I'm fighting this thing not eating meat, so I haven't eaten any meat. But yeah, and I'm winning, y'all. Look at all of this. I got oranges, I got tomatoes, I got eggplant, I got passion fruit. What else? I got key lime, rice, some good rice this time. I got my onions, and I'm trying some of the local spinach to see how it's gonna be. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good, but trying some local spinach. I got 3 bags of spinach, and right now I'm just finna do some washing of my fruits and vegetables because before I put them in the refrigerator, they have to be washed, guys. And also, it give me a chance to look them over for anything that shouldn't be there, right? Check your food. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now is wash and check my fruit. It's my passion fruit. Passion fruit is always pretty good. And I usually wash my fruit in some vinegar and vinegar and baking soda. I sprinkle a little soda in there. Don't take a lot. Gonna do some clean, cause I wash them again, before I eat them too. That'll give me a second chance to look them over. And y'all, these oranges right here, you look at them, you think they might not be sweet. Yes, they are. And they pack a powerful punch. A powerful punch. Give you so much energy. I love them. Yep. I'm gonna try and get back out, guys, because the sun is really shining today. I wanna go and walk on this thing because I was grounding this morning, and oh my goodness, y'all take y'all shoes off. Take your shoes off as we did as children when we didn't have back problems and hip problems and stuff. Take your shoes off and go outside for a change and walk around on the earth, the grass. And pay attention to how your lower back feels. Oh. Grounding, as they call it. I'm getting out and trying to do some grounding every day. But the last 2 or 3 days, y'all, it been looking like tornadoes were coming. It was raining so hard here in Africa. Here in East Africa, Tanzania, I don't know if they getting any rain or anything like that in Ghana and West Africa, but hey, we've been getting it over here. Yes, we've been getting it. I try to make sure, just, when you go to the outside market, some of your fruits and vegetables still will have a little dirt on it. But that comes with, the natural part of it. Coming straight off the tree, I got to buy me some more of these. I'm trying to think, I think I got these at the small market, yeah. I got these at the small market. And the other ones I got at the outside market. But yeah, these green oranges, natural oranges, so good, so sweet. And it has a hint of tanginess to it, but that's just even better. It makes it taste even better. Remember, you used to go to the field with your mama in Mississippi or Georgia or Texas or wherever. Go to the field with your mama, and you supposed to be helping pick peas and stuff. You get you a bowl of water, go out there, pick you some tomatoes, and you sit down in the tomato patch with you some salt and pepper. Oh my goodness, fresh tomatoes was so good. Wash that tomato off, sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. Man, what? That was some good eating right there. These oranges are pretty clean. They got a little dust on them. Not a lot, but they are so good. I had to get me some more red peppers because last time I tried to make me some jollof rice, the rice wasn't rice. I don't know what that was. It wasn't rice. I believe it was some slick instant grits. That's what it looked like. My red pepper. I got these at the small inside market. A little small market. They didn't have no soursop today, because I was definitely looking for some. But I was able to get me some key lime, y'all. Key lime is so good. When you're trying to lose weight, cut up you some little key limes. Slice them up, along with some lemons, and put in a big jug of water, like this right here, and you drink off of this. Ooh, pull all the fluid, all that excess fluid off of you, just pee it off. Help to eat away the fatty cells also, because that oil inside the lemon peels, yeah, help to eat away the fatty cells. It's really good. Detoxifying, has a good as an antioxidant. Man, I hate I wasn't able to take y'all on inside with me. They had a lot going on today. They were very busy. And it stays crowded. That's where I go and get my my potted basil from. I wasn't even able to get it today. They had some too. It was so crowded. Get you a big pot of rosemary. It's the big pot too. It's like 8,000 in American money. That's really $8. Yeah, $8. It's worth it though, because it's a big pot. And see what I like about these fruits and vegetables? You know that fake wax stuff that they put on the fruits and vegetables in the grocery store to make it shiny? You know where that wax stuff come from? Y'all, it come from cockroach doo-doo. The secretion from the cockroach. That's where that wax come from. You didn't ask me, I just thought I'd let you know. I probably watch too much TV and too many documentaries and stuff, but I be wanting to know, y'all. I be wanting to know. All right, guys, I finished my first batch, and this is why you should wash your fruits and vegetables. Look at this. See that water? That's what that vinegar and baking soda will clean off of your fruits and vegetables. But guys, I'm gonna finish these little fruit, tomatoes and stuff, and key limes, and I'll see you all at 5 o'clock p.m. today. All right.